So what's a great example of AI now being exponential? We're going to learn about that right now. Google announces 3 new AI breakthroughs that are game-changing innovations. Google AI is making massive strides, rolling out 3 groundbreaking developments. Each of these represents a new frontier in AI efficiency, creativity, and research collaboration. So what are these 3 breakthroughs? The first one is called mixture of depths. What is it? It's AI that thinks smarter, not harder. Developed by Google DeepMind, mixture of depths is a new way for AI to process information more efficiently. Mixture of depths dynamically allocates computing power based on importance of what it's analyzing. So important tokens get full attention, while less relevant ones skip processing altogether, leading to 50% plus speed improvements in training. So this method uses a per token router to determine which words need deep reasoning and which can be skipped. So what are the performance gains here? It matches or surpasses standard transformer performance in efficiency, allowing larger models to be trained at the same computational cost. So if it's 50%, you can double the size of the model without increasing cost of training. So that's massively improving efficiency. So that is mixture of depths. What is the second breakthrough? VO2, Google's new AI video generation model. So this tool is not cheap. It's $30 a minute or $1,800 an hour to create AI-generated videos. So this tool is designed for high-end professionals and production studios, and it rivals OpenAI's Sora in video quality. Early public access is available through FreePick that offers trial clips and a subscription-based credit system. In the future, Google may merge VO2 capabilities with Gemini AI for broader accessibility by the general public. So the second breakthrough is VO2. What's the third breakthrough? Well, this is the one everyone's talking about. AI co-scientist, which Google says will create a new research revolution. How so? Built on Gemini 2.0, this multi-agent AI system helps scientists generate and refine their scientific hypotheses, propose experiments, and analyze research. How does it do this? It uses 7 specialized agents to simulate the scientific reasoning process. So how big a breakthrough is this? It's big. AI co-scientists solved a 10-year-old mystery about antibiotic resistance in just 48 hours, independently arriving at a theory that has never been published before. And Google says that AI co-scientist is ranked higher in novelty and impact than OpenAI's models. So again, that's AI co-scientists. So what do these 3 breakthroughs mean for AI generally in the future? So as I mentioned, this mixture of depths approach could change how AI models are trained, making them faster and more efficient. On the other hand, VO2's high pricing raises questions about AI-generated video accessibility for everyday people. But then again, AI co-scientists could fundamentally transform research by reducing wasted time on dead-end experiments. So AI co-scientist is definitely the biggest of these 3 breakthroughs. What do you think about these? Do you think that these are going to leapfrog Google back to the top in AI? Drop your comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get much more about AI from this channel And finally, please support us on Patreon or buy me a coffee. We need your financial support to continue to grow the channel and bring you more resources to prepare you for an AI-dominated future. See the very next video. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.